Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change location with Nordvpn. If you're looking to unlock streaming libraries, shop global marketplaces, or simply browse more privately, then I'm going to show you exactly how to change your location and do all of that and more with Nordvpn. So real quick, before we get started, if you don't have an account with Nordvpn yet, then you would want to go ahead and navigate to the link in the description down below and grab the absolute best offer at the moment. Whether you are looking for a monthly 1-year plan or 2-year plans, they will have a plan that best suits your interest. So without much further ado, let's dive right in. Now, to clear things up, if you would like to change your virtual location with a VPN, you can expect the following. First of all, you will get access to geo-restricted streaming, so you can watch Netflix libraries from other countries or access BBC iPlayer when you are abroad. Another great benefit that you can expect is the price arbitrage. A lot of airlines, hotels, and software vendors will show you different prices depending on your region, so you can completely switch to a different region to access better deals. We also have the website access, as some news sites, sports streams, or banking portals block visitors from outside their home country. A VPN lets you circumvent these blocks. You can also bypass the censorship, so in restrictive regions, certain social media or messaging applications may be blocked. A VPN keeps you connected freely. So whether you are a streaming enthusiast, a frequent traveler, or a privacy-conscious surfer, changing your location is the first step. So before you can change your location, you will need Nordvpn installed. Go ahead once again and navigate to the link in the description down below, create your account if you haven't already, and download the software. It's available on Windows, Mac, your iPhone, Android, all of it. And once you create your account, you can use the same email and password logins to get inside your account. So once you have downloaded and installed the application, it's going to open up and then you can log inside your account. And this is what the interface is going to look like. You will see a big quick connect button that you can automatically use to find the fastest server near you. This is great for when you generally want to browse safely. And then we have the manual selections. So on this side right here, you can go ahead and scroll between the countries, and then you can use the search bar if you would like to at the very top. Type any country's name that you would like to have, such as the United Kingdom, France, or any country that you would like. Click on your chosen country and then Nordvpn will show you a notification when the connection is successful. Some people prefer this map view, so you can click on the globe icon and then you will just look at the interactive map. You can click a pin on the map to connect, pinch to zoom if you want the city level servers. And then just to verify the connection, you can Google ipleak.net or whatsmyip.com and then confirm that your IP address will now show the country that you have selected. If you would like to, you can disconnect or pause the connection, and that way you can interrupt your VPN connection easily. If you are on Mac or your iPhone, the process will be identical. Now, another thing that I would like to mention is that if you only need VPN for your browser, so for example, let's say that you have applications and you want to keep the same IP or the normal connection on it, but you want your VPN for your browser, then you can install the Nordvpn extension from the Chrome Web Store or Firefox add-ons. You click the extension icon in your toolbar and then log into your account. And then you can use the quick connect button that I talked about or browse the server list. It's pretty much a mirror of the desktop application. But keep in mind that this will only protect the browser traffic. Other applications on your system will not be routed through Nordvpn. Now, Nordvpn also offers more than just country servers. We have the static IP servers, as you can get a dedicated IP every time, no captchas, no login hassles. This is great for secure remote work or IP restricted applications. We also have the double VPN with the multi-hop. So your traffic hops through 2 servers. We have the double encryption for the most privacy that you can get. But this will give you the slowest speed available, so about 20 to 30%. You want to only use this when needed. And then we have the Onion over VPN, so you can combine Nordvpn with the Tor network for more layered anonymity. Speeds can drop below 10 megabits per second, so this is the best for sensitive tasks, not streaming. And then we have the obfuscated servers, so the no borders. You can hide VPN traffic as regular HTTPS, and this is ideal in heavily censored regions such as China or UAE. And finally, you can get the P2P servers, which are optimized for torrenting, offering peer-to-peer performance and stability. So if you would like to access all of these, all you have to do is just go to the server list and click on the specialty servers onto your Nordvpn. Pick the category that you need and connect. Next up, I'm going to talk about some essential settings for leak-proof protection. Starting with the kill switch, so you have a network kill switch where you can cut all internet connection if the VPN drops, and you can enable those when you go to the settings and then you click on this option. Next up, we have the protocol selection. If you want the fastest protocol that is modern WireGuard based protocol, then you would like to keep it on NordLynx. We also have these other protocols which are more widely compatible, but you want to use only if NordLynx is blocked. You can also let Nordvpn just pick the best in the moment. Another great setting is that you can auto-connect VPN on Wi-Fi connections, as this keeps your connection secured whenever you want to join unsecured networks like public hotspots. And then you can have it so that you can launch at startup, so you can have Nordvpn open and protect you immediately whenever your device boots. So to ensure everything works perfectly, go ahead and connect your NordVPN to any connection that you want, and then your real IP and DNS servers should be hidden. Run a speed test using speedtest.net, and then you can compare the download and the upload speeds with and without the VPN. After that, you can test services like Netflix, Disney+, BBC iPlayer to confirm that you can access those region-locked libraries. And if you would like to, you can also download a legal test file on a P2P server, just check the speeds and the IP masking. Now for gaming or 4K streaming, you want to choose servers very near your country for the lowest latency. And then for the bulk downloads or backups, you want to use P2P servers for optimized speeds, keeping your application updated for the latest servers and the security patches. And lastly, I want to talk about the plans real quick. So as I said, you can go ahead and grab the current best offer on NordVPN by navigating to the link in the description of this video. You can choose between the monthly, 1 year and the 2-year plans. However, if you choose to continue on a monthly basis, you will start with $13 per month and you will only get access to the secure high-speed VPN. So all of the different features that I talked about in this video and the additional security, you will miss out on those. And if you would like to, you can go ahead and grab the Prime plan for about $18 per month and get access to every feature that this platform has to offer. Now, if you want to save up to 70%, then you would want to continue with the 1 yearly plans. The price for the basic plan drops by 56% down to $5 per month, and the Prime plan that has all of the different features goes down to only $9 per month. You would get 1 TB of encrypted cloud storage, identity and SSN monitoring and alerts, and you can get up to $100,000 in cyber extortion insurance. Now for the absolute best deals on NordVPN available, then you can continue with the 2-yearly plans, and then you would save up to 77% and get plus 3 extra months. So the price for the Prime plan would drop from $18 per month all the way down to $7 per month. Now the best thing that you can do is that you can grab the Prime plan on a 2-year basis, test the platform out, get the lowest price available, and if for example you change your mind and you don't want to continue with this plan, then you can easily get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So basically you get a VPN with all the different features for about a month, and then after that you can cancel it and get your money back if you don't like the service. And with that, we'll have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. That was your complete guide on how to change your location with NordVPN across every device and feature. Let us know if you have any other questions by leaving them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make relating to this one.